Hi guys, Jeff from BackyardWaterGarden.com. So you got all your stuff in place, you got your plantings and everything. The problem is that stuff gets out of hand. As you can see, this bush needs to be trimmed. So what I'm going to do today is show you how I trim my bushes. If you leave this stuff go too long, it'll get out of hand, so you want to make sure you knock it back probably twice a year. If you have something that is blooming, you might want to wait till after the blooms, and then once it's done blooming, you can go ahead and knock it all down. Hold your trimmers like this if you want to get a nice flat edge, and just go right down the side. Alright guys, there you have it. Don't worry about taking too much. See how there's a little hole here? This will grow in. Just like a bad haircut, it grows back. So don't worry if you screw it up. You really can't. That's just a quick tutorial on trimming a bush. One more quick tip. If you have trimmers like these, please buy new ones. You will thank yourself. These are very old. See how close my knuckles are together? When you're trimming and you're going like this, you're smashing your knuckles every time. And if this misses, ouch. Get yourself a new pair. That's what I did this morning. I just went out and got these. They're not very expensive. Get them on Amazon, link below, and you'll be happy that you did. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. BackyardWaterGarden.com.